ನಗುವ ನಯನ ಮಧುರ ಮೌನ ಬಿಡಿವ ಹೃದಯ ಇದೆ ಮಾತೇಕೆ.
Staying fit is easy. How? Vikyat and Akshata will explain in this video. Please watch in full.
I am from a place called Udupi. It's a small city compared to Bangalore. I studied engineering there only in a college called Nitte and came to Bangalore. And my name is Vikyat. This is Akshata. She is also from same background.
Yeah, so I came from Kasaragod. It's a Karnataka-Kerala border. So it's also a small city. And after I completed my engineering in Vivekananda College, Puttur, I came to Mysore to start my career.
And after engineering, to get a job, I had to come to Bangalore. And here the life is entirely different. Not eating properly at time like I used to do it in hometown, or very fast life, pollution everywhere. And eating whatever was available rather than whatever we really needed. I think, and no time for exercise, all those things. So that's what had changed our life. And yeah. I think Akshata had similar experience.
Yeah, so I'm also same thing. So I forced to work in shifts and all. So it actually changed my routine, everything, and no PG food and no nutrition in that. So it completely changed my health and it affects my health in big time.
So after 3-4 years of life like this, it was not one day. Definitely, seeing us in different photos and the changes. I think tummy was slowly coming out. We were looking older than we were. And I think I was always into fitness, gym, all those things in college life. So I wanted to go back and start. And I started with gym, joined the gym, and also going to office and coming back in cycle. So some with physical activities I started. It showed little results, but not the complete result I wanted.
Yeah, so I'm not an exercise person, so I don't know the importance of exercise also, because I used to live in a rural place, right? So we used to do every work, household work and all. So when I came to lived in the PG, it was completely no activity. So I started gaining weight, and more acne came to my face. So that time I was somewhat conscious, and I checked my did my body test and all. Then I came to know that I had some problems. So then I started doing 10 minutes of walking and all, and avoiding some junk foods and all.
So when only physical activity was not working, I understood what other things I had to do. I had to work on proper nutrition, diet, because now today I know that is 70% than physical activity. And I also had to manage my stress in office, because stress is one of the biggest pillar of wellness. And also sleep. We as a bachelors at that time, we had no fixed time for sleeping. I had to fix it. I had to cut down late night movies and make myself sleep. I think sleep, stress, exercise, nutrition, all these 4 things I had to correct it. And I had to follow it as a proper program, and I could see benefits out of it.
So during we started healthy living. Actually, we focused mainly on food items, what we are eating, because that is the main pillar of wellness or health. Okay, so especially we focused what we are eating on breakfast. It should be a protein-rich breakfast, and lunch should be 50% should be salad, and remaining 25% should be rice and whatever dal we can take. And dinner should be before 8. So that actually gave us good result.
So for my body, I realized 6 hours of sleep was very important, and I made sure I slept 6 hours, cutting all movies, other things. And 1 hour of workout I used to do in the morning, but after that also to travel to office, instead of using my bike, I used to go in cycle. It didn't continue much, but still I tried as much as possible. And in the office also I was not sitting continuously. If I wanted water, I used to go and walk and get it from that machine wherever it is, or whenever instead of lift, I used to use stairs. These simple changes actually added step counts to my routine.
So before following any diet, okay, you should understand your body, because I understood my body with the help of some wellness coach, and I started following some healthy habits. So like eating protein rich diet, as I told, so I included more oats and egg whites and some protein sources in my breakfast, and again during lunch we added 5 to 6 different colored of fruits. It was very difficult for us initial days, but vegetables. So but we made it conscious effort to include at least 3 to 4 colored vegetables in our diet. And obviously we used to eat dinner like 10 o'clock, 10:30 and all, so that we shifted to 8 o'clock. So we used to finish sometimes 6 o'clock also.
Absolutely, before sunset.
Yeah, our sunset. And one more important thing we used to follow is 6 days no junk food. So one day we used to keep whatever we can eat like junk food, like cheat day. And Vikhyat also did some research about that.
So from eating lot of biscuits to no biscuits, how did we do? Understanding what we choose to do like that. I have talked about it in FB Live. Maybe you can visit there.
Yeah. So before whatever worked for us, we are telling that tips to you guys. So you have to understand your body first to follow anything like any diet before. So as I told, along with the healthy mind also very important. So I used to take I love singing, so I used to take time for that and used to sing a song, and I felt so happy, and it is like stress buster for me. And I used to connect this singing part to healthy tips, and used to post in my Facebook pages, and it really gives me that happiness. Nagava nayana madhura mauna vidivar hridaya ide mate ke.
Absolutely. So many of us, I think, don't take time for hobbies. She connected her hobby of singing to a healthy tip, and you can definitely visit her Insta page for those tips. Yeah.
So for healthy mind, it's very important to connect with the nature, because whatever we have senses, right, 5 senses, so we have to smell like that nature, that flowers smell, and that soils smell, and everything, because that will give us energy. That is like a different kind of energy, and that actually relaxes our mind and body. And so that's why we started taking that small evening walk in the nearby parks, and used to take some pictures, and used to again relate to that flowers and trees, and with our life, whatever we had, some memories. So it's actually interesting for us to do such activities together.
Definitely, spending time with, I think, nature is one of the biggest good thing we can do to our body and mind, and yeah, that helps for sure. So with all these things, we have lost around 18 kgs together, and we are in our ideal weight, and she's out of all her health problems, and with good skin now, and I have good immunity and surviving Bangalore. Yeah, we are able to do much more in a day than what we used to do. In the sense, we are not lazy now because of this routine. We can be active and do much more.
So all this happened only we built like some healthy habits around the 4 pillars, as we discussed, like food, exercise, sleep and stress. So, and we also help so many people to achieve their goals, health goals, and we are running different WhatsApp groups and all. In that we are giving different challenges. So together we are doing more activities like tracking 10,000 steps and drinking 8 glasses of water. It's actually fun to do, like at least we are giving something to society. We feel like that, and it's so together we are everyone is like healthier now with us. ಹೊಸ ಭಾಷೆಯಿದು ರಸಕಾವ್ಯವಿದು ಇದು ಹಾಡಲು ಕವಿ ಬೇಕೆ. Stay happy, stay healthy.